There we go. Hey, what's up guys? Kenshi here. Welcome back to the channel. So I decided to get the hood lift kit from Rspeed. I decided to go with this and not the Cobalt. So I only know of two brands. Cobalt makes one as well. And what I liked about the Rspeed is it had the two dampers, the hood dampers, and not just the one like the Cobalt. So let's not waste any time and head to the garage. Okay, so what's included is has the two dampers, which is nice. The Cobalt has the single damper. So I'd rather have the two dampers because the hood on the Miata is really light, and I feel like if it's just on one side, there's gonna be a lot of just flexing maybe, you know, after a while when you keep using it. That's why I'd rather have two dampers. So okay, so it has the two dampers, it has some grease. It's funny that it even comes with a Q-tip too. These are the mounting brackets, and it's marked left and right. There's two bolts, and these are the two ball screws. I kept forgetting on the other video about that. I kept missing out on it, but it's called a ball screw. It comes with various washers. These two bigger ones, and these, careful, there's one that's thicker, and then there's one that's thin. So can you tell? Right? Yeah. One is thicker, one is thin. So just take note of that. And then it has the star washers. And then besides that, it's cool. It comes with instructions, pretty detailed, and also a cool sticker. I don't know if I'll put it on the car, but I'll put it probably in the garage, probably out over here. I'm gonna start putting stickers over here. I found an old Japanese sticker. And it's like an old pony I had. And then besides that, you'll need a 10mm socket, a 14mm socket. I only have a 3/8, so I'm gonna use that. And then so I don't have to switch, I'm gonna, the ratchet is 3/8, and then the 10mm I'm just gonna use a 1/4 inch. And then also besides that, 13mm wrench. And what's nice about this install, no drilling. Yeah. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do, this is what's nice, is it's gonna use its own. Now I mentioned no drilling, so this is where it's gonna mount. So if you're looking at the fender, right, and then we're gonna use this mounting on the hood. So there's two that holds the hood. We're using the top part, and then there's two bolts. There's actually 3 bolts that hold the fender. We're using the middle one. Okay, so we're gonna put it on a quick time lapse for you, and then we'll show you the end result. Okay guys, that was a pretty easy install. It looks like we didn't use all the washers, so just take note of, I just used a regular washer. I didn't use a star washer. And then these have a spring clip, which is different from the trunk lift kit that just slid on, and you pry it to remove it. But this is a spring clip. So I noticed on this part, you'll need to have the spring clip. It goes in. You'll need to have it halfway in to try to put it on because it's so tight. There's like a little hole there. And then it looks like, so yeah, so, and you didn't need the 13mm. That was my fault. It's just the 10 here. I thought there was a nut on the bottom of this, but there isn't one. So, and then this is where the screwdriver goes. So there's the screw here. So you do need a Phillips and a washer. And this is the thicker washer I used on this one with the ball screw. And the only thing I didn't use was a star washer. I'll see if it starts to slide. I'll use the slide washer up here. But I just like the look of a regular washer better. I don't know, that's just me. And then, so, yeah, that's pretty much it. And you want to hold this, I'll show them how to, when it opens and closes. It's really nice, I love it. And so let's pretend, you know, we unlatched it, right? And then, so it doesn't have to give too much effort. See my hands, right? And then it'll start to lift it up, see?
And I think it sounds like a supercharge happening.
It sounds like a plane, kind of, right?
Not really.
Yeah, so that was easy, no drilling. That's good, you know how long it takes for us to drill holes here. Oh, there we go. So where should we put it? Right here? That's good.
Yeah.
There we go. That's all she wrote. And a quick update. So I did get an email from the suspension where I ordered the coilovers from, and hopefully it'll be shipped out by March 22nd. I can't wait for that, man. And then we'll have a third person helping us. I'm not gonna say who, but because I've seen videos of how hard it is to install coilovers on a Miata, so I'll definitely need some manpower. No offense, Elliot. And just somebody that's like my strength, I guess, you could say. So that's pretty much it. What do they need to do, Elliot?
Press the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Love you.